Student assessments help families and educators have an accurate picture of what our students know and where they can grow, and help us to provide additional support to accelerate their learning. Student scores on assessments are utilized for teacher evaluations as well as other school and district accountability measures. While these assessments provide critical information about our students, schools and educators have worked tirelessly this year to overcome the challenges presented by the COVID-19 pandemic. And this law ensures our state is being responsive. This law works to remove any negative consequences related to accountability for teachers, schools, and districts, and for this year only. It also ensures districts will administer student assessments so our state and its educators will have important data to guide their work to support students. This way, educators can focus on understanding where students are academically, catching students up, and accelerating student learning.
I believe we're here to make sure our students succeed. That's why we're here. Our kids have to succeed.